Hi friends. In this video, learn how to fix NET Runtime Optimization Service high CPU issue in Windows 10. The NET Runtime Optimization Service, also known as mscorsvw.exe, is a core component of Windows that optimizes your machine by helping it launch programs and applications faster. Typically, the NET Runtime Optimization Service will not cause high CPU, but if the optimization process takes longer than usual, it may cause high CPU usage. The high CPU usage problem by NET Runtime Optimization Service especially appears after Windows 10 updates or upgrading to Windows 10. If you are also faced this NET Runtime issue, here's how to fix.